Viavi COSA4055 module, or COSA, is a CWDM analyzer module for the T-Bird or MTS 2000, 4000, or 5800 test set. The module is used to monitor a live CWDM network and display active wavelengths, channel spacing, and power levels. It can also measure wavelength drift and other statistics over time. In addition to the test port, the module has two integrated SFP slots. A CWDM optical transceiver may be connected to either or both SFP slots. Once inserted, the SFP is automatically activated for use as a CWDM light source. During turn-up or maintenance of a CWDM multiplexer, the COSA can be directly connected to the common port or common cable using an optical patch cable and coupler with connectors matching those of the COSA port and the fiber under test. The COSA can also be connected to the fiber under test via a monitor port or tap without disrupting service. I will now demonstrate how to use the COSA module. To follow along, you will need a T-Bird 5800 with fiber optic firmware release 21.0 or greater. Firmware release 21 features a redesigned user interface. Fiber optic cleaning and inspection tools are needed to ensure all fiber end faces are clean. I have already cleaned and inspected my COSA port, patch cable, and fiber under test, and I've powered up my T-Bird. After starting your T-Bird 5800, tap the fiber optics icon at the top of the screen. If a purple greater than sign is displayed on the left side of the screen, tap it to display the home screen. Then tap the COSA icon. Tap the Setup soft key to configure your test settings. Tap Auto Set to load commonly used settings. Under Acquisition, Sweep is set to single, but can optionally be set to continue, to continuously sweep, or to statistics or drift to make measurements over multiple sweeps. I'm going to leave analysis settings at defaults. If a splitter or tap is used to access the signal, you can set the splitter compensation value to the splitter loss in dB or percentage. I'm also going to leave display settings at their defaults with the exception of grid, which I will set to ITU CWDM. This allows me to optionally specify channel alarms. I'm going to leave link settings at defaults, but when you're in the field, you can specify the fiber ID, cable ID, and test point, because they will determine your file names. The fiber number will auto-increment by default. I will also leave file settings at defaults to auto-store results. Note that the file name will include the cable ID, fiber number, test point, and direction as configured in the prior menu. If you want to save a PDF or text file with your results, you can say so in the report configuration. We're now ready to test. Let's tap the Start soft key. The COSA will sweep through the CWDM wavelength range, and after a few seconds, test results are shown in both graphical and tabular formats. The graph shows signal level across the CWDM spectrum. I can zoom in, zoom out, and auto zoom using the magnifying glass controls. I can also pinch and zoom or swipe left and right with my fingers. In the table, I can view channel numbers, spacing, wavelength, and peak power levels. I can easily verify that every expected wavelength is present, there are no unexpected wavelengths, and that all power levels are within the specifications of the network equipment manufacturer. If I had set channel alarms, results would be color-coded red or green. Per my setup, The trace file has been automatically named and saved to the current folder in the File Explorer. I can press the File soft key to browse stored files or copy and paste them to a USB flash drive. That concludes my demonstration of the COSA 405 CWDM optical channel checker. Thank you.